and grow into their best selves. Good morning to everyone present here on this remarkable day. Today is not only a celebration of the installation of the esteemed members of GIFTS into their respective roles, but it also stands as a powerful reminder of the value of education in shaping our lives and our future. As the event unfolds, dear audience, we invite you to witness the elegance and significance of this special occasion. This day marks the investiture ceremony for the academic session 2025-26 of Geeta Ratan International Business School, a moment of pride, purpose and promise.
On behalf of GIFTS, I, Ashika,
And I, Diti,
welcome respected Vice Chairman Shri Anirudh Jindal, Dean Ma'am Ms. Prachi Jindal, and respected Director Professor Dr. Vikas Nath, our beloved faculty, members, hardworking office bearers of 2024 and 2025, and the new student council of the academic session 2025 to 2026, the investiture ceremony. Today marks a momentous occasion as we witness the leadership within the various clubs and societies of our esteemed institution. It is a movement filled with pride and a deep sense of responsibility as we warmly welcome the newly selected members who will take charge and take respective clubs and societies with commitment and passion. In keeping with the tradition of GIFTS, we now invite our respected Vice Chairman Sir, Honorable Dean Ma'am, and respected Director Sir Professor Dr. Vikas Nath to grace the stage with lamp lighting, invoking divine blessing and marking the spacious beginning of this event. Of leadership and learning, let us go our ways and seek the blessing of God Ganesh, the symbol of auspicious beginning. We now welcome Kalyani Kumari to commence the ceremony with Ganesh Vandan.
Om Shri Mahaganadhipataye ಕುತ್ತರಿ ಕುತ್ತರಿ ಜಣ ಕುಕ್ಕು ಕುತ್ತತ್ತಿ ಕುತ್ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕುಟಿ ಕುಣ ಕುತ್ತತ್ತಿ ತತ್ತ ಝಂ ಝಂ ತರಿತ ಝಂ ಝಂ ತರಿತ ತತ್ತ ಝಂ ಝಂ ತರಿತ ತರಿ ಗಣ ತಗಣ ಜಮುತ್ತ ಜಮು ತಿವಿತ ಕಿಟಕರಿತೋ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟಕರಿತೋ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟಕರಿತೋ
Thank you, Kalyani, for a graceful performance.
What sets individuals like Mahatma Gandhi, Nelson Mandela, and Barack Obama apart? It's their ability to inspire, influence, and lead with purpose. True leadership is not born overnight. It begins with small actions, shaped by values, nurtured over time, and grounded in service. Leadership is not inherited. It's developed through effort and growth. The investiture ceremony is one of the most significant events in any academic institution. It is a solemn reminder of the trust and responsibility we place in our newly appointed student council members. As they don the mantle of leadership, they pledge to uphold the values of GIBS and fulfill their duties with integrity, commitment, and excellence. Each student leader commits to follow the principles and regulations of their respective clubs and societies, which serve as vibrant hubs of creativity, innovation, and collaboration throughout the academic year. These clubs organize events, host workshops, and nurture a strong sense of community among the students of GIBS and beyond. With pride, we recognize the 11 dynamic clubs and societies that continue to enrich campus life. And this year, we are delighted to introduce a new edition, the Spiritual Society of GIBS, dedicated to fostering inner growth and mindfulness among students. As we close one chapter, we open another with enthusiasm and hope. The incoming council members have been carefully chosen for their leadership potential, their vision for progress, and their unwavering commitment to serving their peers. Today, they officially begin their journey, a journey defined by purpose, teamwork, and service. So now, let's invite the newly appointed Student Council for the academic session 2025-2026 on stage as they march ahead on the drum beats of the drum master Weber.
Dean Ma'am, and respected Director Sir, Professor Sir Dr. Vikas Nath, who honor the president graduates and the new appointed members so as to instill a sense of duty and pride. For Culture Society of GIBS, that is heritage, please put your hand.
Announce again heritage.
For the Culture Society of GIBS, that is heritage, please put your hands together for the president of heritage, Vivek Nirwal.
टच नहीं कर ले
Devek Nedwal as the president of Heritage Club. Kanu Gupta, the vice president of Heritage.
Stay there for the picture. ठीक है, फिर आप एकदम आ जाएंगे. थोड़ा सा देना चाहिए for the picture. Come together.
Here we have the vice president and president of Heritage Club. Walking proudly, we have the council member of Expression, the Fine Art Society. Following the trial, we have the president of Expression, Megha Jain. Kanishka Puri as the vice president of Expression. Kanishka Puri as the vice president of Expression.
तो वाइस प्रेसिडेंट हाँ बाकी इसको निकाल दिया
Gibbs as the Rising Law School of Delhi, Harvard Law Society too, namely Court 2. We have President Pranav Raj.
अरे उसका चाहिए यार उसको अभी चाहिए
The Vice President of Court 2, Ms. Shivang Sharma.
अबे यार क्या फोटो खिंचवा रहे हो ठीक है
Badging the position of in charge for Moot Court as Manpreet Kaur. EDR in charge is Chavi Agarwal. Youth Parliament in charge is Mani. Gibbs as a leading business school of Delhi has its own management club, Mind Vendors. This year Himanshi takes the role of president of Mind Vendors.
इसका बटन भी कर रहा भाई
sworn in as the new Vice President of the Nine Bengal.
हमारे तो ऑटो को होता है यार अरे सबको नहीं करेंगे ना अरे हम कर देंगे हमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं हो गई डन
Succeeding them, we have a human resource in charge, Sonia.
आगे बजा लेना अंकित का कवर कौन करेगा अगर हम ताली बजाएंगे तो
Marketing in charge, Riddhi Arora.
डन
Finance in charge, Arnold.
ऐसा लगा ना जैसे गिरते गिरते पैर छू रहा फाइनेंस आप मिला नहीं शादी में
So next we have Frames, the photography club. The new president of Frames is Ankit Pandey.
अपने तो लौंडा है हो गया क्या हो गया पता नहीं क्या पूछ रहा पूछ रहा हूँ
The new vice president of Frames is Ayush Sharma.
खड़े तो हड़म से एक मिनट ले लेते हैं
Succeeding him, we have a media film video editor, Arthur.
तो भाई लगी से अच्छी रखनी है एडिटर को कोई काम नहीं करना होता और इस तरह से रखता है किसी
We have Jitesh holding the position of videographer.
खुलवा लेते जियो टैग ना इसी को लेते हैं मज़ा आ जाता भाई
Now comes the National Service Scheme, the NSS unit of girls. The post of president of NSS has been wished to Ashwin Jha. Sanskriti Rajput as the new vice president of NSS. The post of Ekta village in charge has been wished to Jay Malhotra.
मना कर रही इसमें तेरे भैया तेरे कौन सा भैया है
मेरा कौन सा भैया है भाई? हो गया डन डन।
The in charge for Project Ashram is Mahi Sharma.
अच्छा तेरा भाई है अरे वो नहीं जानते जानते बोले होंगे
अबे तो हम खींच तो रहे हैं।
किसने देना है तो इसमें सेटिस्फैक्शन चाहिए
भीड़ लग जाएगी फिर अच्छा नहीं लगेगा।
जो है नया हाँ हाँ जो करना है कोई दिक्कत नहीं
डन
हो गई
For Mudra, the dance
बहुत
society.
लंबा है यार।
Stepping forward is the president of Mudra,
जो आदमी
Ranjan.
पैसा बढ़ेगा।
अरे वो तो मेरे को था वो ही है क्या बनने वाली है
Classical dance in charge of Mudra, Nitya.
लगी रहा था ना
हाँ भाई दूसरी साइड पीछे जाके सब
And Western dance in charge, Mudit Kushesha.
सीख ले हो गया
हो गया खींच ही रहा हूँ हो गया।
Farag, the music society of this. Stepping up as the president
हाँ
of
यार
Farag
हम भी कर रहे हैं ना
हम तो लास्ट
is Taranjeet
तो
Singh.
लास्ट जो तक कर रहे हैं।
इसी स्टोरी से
ये तो मैंने देखी पहली बार।
अबे ये वो है राज का ये इसका भाई है ऐसे स्टोरी से लोग
ये रात का
हाँ
ये किस बात है?
We have Manas Madan as the new vice president of Farag.
अच्छा उसी का है क्या? NSS वाली।
And Hitanshu Chauhan as the instrumental in charge.
इंस्ट्रूमेंटल इंचार्ज
बड़े तो इसमें रिपोर्ट हो
Next, we have Abhinay, the Dramatic Society. Please put your hands together for the newly appointed president of Abhinay Club, Megha Kaushal. President of Abhinay, Harshit. The council for Abhinay sums up with the newly elected script writer, Akansha Bindu. Up next is Lakshya, the sports club.
टैक्सी लगी थी ना
Up next is Lakshya, the sports club. As the president of club, we have Resham Sagar. Rajan here is the new vice president of Lakshya. The in charge for tug of war is Khushi Dhingra.
मेरी फोटो दोनों कर दूँ ना क्लियर लगती है
Last but not the least, we introduce to you Atma.
जियो टैग ले लो नहीं यार जियो टैग की ले लो यार जियो टैग सबकी ले लो
Last but not the least, we introduce to you Atma Spandan, the spiritual society of gifts. The post of president of spiritual club has been passed by Arpita Dubey. For the women vice we have Sajid Goel.
That's
Now, we would like to take this opportunity to acknowledge a group of individuals who work diligently behind the scenes, our dedicated placement assistance team. We request our dignitaries to present badges to the PAT team of 2025-26. We request the PAT team to come on stage. Sanu Kumar, Kamlesh Kumar, Sanu Kumar, Kamlesh Kumar, placement
मैं
assistant.
संभाल सकता हूँ थोड़ा के लिए संभाल तो सकता हूँ करने का मूड नहीं है
Isha Gupta, Siddharth,
कौन जियो टैग जियो टैग
हाँ हो गई है
जियो टैग कभी भी
Tuve Mukherjee.
पहले से कितनी फोटो है नहीं यार फोटो
पता है मुझे वीडियो में भी आएगा हर एक वीडियो में
अच्छी लग रही है मुझे लग रही है
Simran.
मूवी देखनी साले दिखाऊँ क्या मूवी डन
Urval.
We have a group. And then we have Sakshi also. Sakshi is for the
वीडियो बना ले भाई 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 इसकी फोटो को चले अल्ट्रा वाइड चले सर हो गया यस सर
Please give a big round of applause. Let me start. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
we want to have a group photograph. Can we have all the club coordinators? That is there in this picture. Yes, now we can have it. Can we have it right now? Can we have it on the stage? All club coordinators.
We congratulate all of you on your newly acquired post. We hope that the duties that come along with these badges are properly served upon. May you lead with wisdom, compassion and integrity. We have full faith in your ability to steer your club to greater heights. We now request you all to please position yourself for the oath. Let us pledge to strengthen the mutual harmony, fraternity and unity among all the students of GITS. Please repeat each line after us as we recite the oath of office for you all.
Can everybody be quiet?
I hereby solemnly promise and swear that I will diligently and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and responsibilities as the office bearer of my club that I will upload and defend the club's constitution and bylaws and bear true faith and allegiance to the same rules, regulations, and policies of the club, that I will actively participate and support all activities and programs of my club, whether internal or external, including those that shall hereinafter be adopted, that shall benefit the club in general and the members in particular, that I will obey the orders and instructions of authorities of guilds from time to time, and finally I take up this position and the concerned duties and responsibilities voluntarily and without any coercion or undue influence. Thank you.
for shouldering the responsibility for this academic session 2025-2026. As we were selecting the office bearers, I found that many of the office bearers were not knowing each other, and there were only few clubs where the president and the vice president was knowing each and every member of the club who was sitting there at the time of interview. Now it is very important for the leader to understand people and take them along. There will be different type of people in your club who may be willing to work for you, who may be willing to perform, but they may not be very good coordinators, and there may be very good coordinators who may not be willing to perform. That means, as president and the vice president who are leading that club, you need to identify the diversity in your club. Second observation was, when I asked the strength of the club to the president or would be the president, he or she was not able to tell me what's the present strength of the club. You have been the member of the club, you should be knowing what is the approximate strength your club is having. Now the input that I would like to give you today itself is, as we move along in the new academic year, it is very important for the office bearers to expand their club and add more and more members. Right? Your club awareness should be spread among the new batches that are going to join us. And not only that, your club awareness and the type of activities that you do should also be spread again and again in the present batches of the institution. Managing a club is managing an organization in itself. and all the leadership qualities that you need for future will get inculcated here through your club. What you learn in your books gets implemented in your club. Be it marketing in church, be it finance in church, be it NSS, all clubs are managing people. You need to know how to get the best out of the people. So sometimes you have to play a devil's role and sometimes you have to be their friends. All these people management skills you will be able to develop here, and when you move ahead into future organizations where you plan to work or you want to start your own organization, all these skills are going to become handy for you to manage your organization. I would like to share some of my experiences. We say the great man theory says leaders are born. Yes, some leaders are born. And their leadership qualities you can see from when they're 2 or 3 years old. But in management we teach leaders can be made. We can train the leaders. So on one hand where Dhirubhai Ambani was a born leader and he raised the empire, Kumaramangalam was a trained leader. Indira Nooyi was a trained leader. Similarly, on this platform where you are heading the club or you are office bearer of the club, there are 2 things which you must understand on the very first day. One, it is very important to listen. If you listen more, you understand more. And if you understand more, you are able to resolve the problems more. If you speak more, you tend to neglect what the people are saying. If you neglect to listen to the people, more problems are going to arise. This is one fundamental thing which you must always remember. Second, it is not necessary to answer each and every one, but sometimes it is very important to ask the right question at the right time so that it becomes an answer to the other person, giving him the glimpse of the mind you have. People indulge in arguments, not required. Talk to the brain of a person and not a person. I always say that whosoever is in front of you, talk to the brain, try to understand what type of brain you are dealing with. If the brain is intelligent, we are bound to get a challenge, and that challenge needs to be accepted. If the brain is weak, you have a challenge to train that brain. And mind it, training people initially is difficult, but once they are trained, they get you the results. Look for people who are ready to learn. That means look for people who have the right attitude. If they have the right attitude, they are the people who are going to perform in the club, whether it is coordination or whether it is performance on the stage. Selecting one wrong person in the club can have a devastating effect on the whole club. Remember one thing, as the director of the institution, I always say one thing to my students. A first-rate person will always choose a first-rate person. A second-rate person will always choose a fourth-rate person. That's how the mathematics of selection goes. Be always a first-rate person and always look for first-rate people, because it is always said, if you have right people in your team, you can think of having a rest for yourself. If you have wrong people in the team, they will always keep you on the toes. Right? So the great leader always said, I want a person who is better than me, both intellectually and otherwise. Because if I have a brightest of the bright working with me, I can be carefree. That's how the leadership position goes. So dear friends, my dear students, who are either a born leader or a leader in making, the message to to you is clear. Make your club strong, expand it, skill it, keep on upskilling it, add more and more people, look for better people, and the president will find the next president and the legacy of the club then continues. That's how things should be going. Right? I share one more instance from my life. In the school I was selected president. Teachers like us interviewed and then I became the monitor and the head monitor in the school. At the postgraduate level, I was the unopposed president of my institution. Not even a single contender. No one dared to fight against me. That was the leadership skill. So when my name came, the whole class said, we would like to remain away. It's not possible. Similarly, when you are the leader of your club, people should say, if he is the leader, he means what he says and he will do what he says. That means you need to be the man of words. Whether you are a girl or a boy, if this is a phrase going on, you have to be the man of words. Commit to yourself, commit to your club members, and the club is going to survive and perform the best in days to come. Therefore, a few more things that I would like to talk to you, since it's an occasion where I'm now talking to the new office bearers, and we'll be declaring the best club and the best performers also in next few minutes. My message to new office bearers is, since you have been the best, you dared to be the best, and you had voluntarily come forward to take this position, prove worthy of the badge which has been given to you. This badge is not a combination of words or alphabets making it a president or a vice president. But when you have this particular post of president, it means you have shouldered a big responsibility on your shoulders. This amounts to saying that I would not like to listen from you that I want to resign from the post of president because I cannot bear the pressure. Many of our students tend to lose their positions because they are not ready to handle that position. If you are inculcating this habit at the institution level, think what is in store for you ahead. Organizations where you are going to work will be a bed of thorns and not roses in the first few years, because they will make you learn what you have not learned here. And unless you don't learn, and you don't take that challenge of shouldering the responsibility, you will always be running away from your responsibilities, as you may do if you are heading this club or if you are in charge of the club. So my advice to you is, as a student of our institution, be a student who has learned to accept challenges, face challenges, and among those challenges, you have learned how to perform. That's the buzzword. If you have done this in the whole year, and like Pranay, who is now shouldering the responsibility for the second year as the president of the Moot Court Society, I think that's the type of people you want. And he's one role model for all of you, that if he can do it, you can also do it. With this commitment from your side, I expect that I am having a team of club members who are going to show what our institution is to the outside world. कहा जाता है चूहा भी घर में शेर है, पर जो शेर है वो तो बाहर भी शेर है, right? So you need to learn for your events here to perform outside. A certificate here is 1/10 of the certificate that you get from the outside. Because you are dealing with the outer world, which is full of challenges, which is full of talent. In our institution, we are facing the like-minded people that will give us the true taste of the life. The more we participate outside, and now that
We request all the members of NSS to kindly assemble on the stage for group photograph.
Thank you, everyone. From Lakshya, we have Nishan Sagar. For Kutum Society, we have Shivam Sharma. From 9 members, we have Shivan Kumar.
We request the faculty coordinator to now I request the Imam and respected director, sir, to please retire at the ceremony. Let's also acknowledge other active members of all the clubs who have given their support in conducting various events that have been organized throughout the year. Each member in this category will receive a certificate of appreciation.
To our outgoing leaders, we extend our heartfelt gratitude for the dedication, vision, and service. Now, with pride in our hearts, we invite on stage the extraordinary performers of each club stars who turn passion and efforts. They will be appreciated and certificate. So, here we welcome from Prince, Priyansh Goyal, Ayush Sharma, Ankit Pandey, and Harzal Kumar.
आयुष वो है BBA वाला
and Nishka Gupta. Tannu Gupta and Shiva. Next we have with NSS, Manish, Sanskriti and Muskan. Next we have is Mudra Club, Anjali Sharma, Charlie, Nitya and Kritika Sharma.
Next, we have mind benders, Shivam Kumar, Nishka Gupta, Shruti Kumar, Himanshu Singh, Harsh Mittal, Atul Gupta, Harshvardhan Arora, Aryan Kohli. Next, we have the
have been handling your club, right? And I have been handling 10 clubs at a time. So I think I deserve this trophy rather than you. Last year, Court took away this trophy because they were leading in external event competitions. Alright? This year, there is a club, despite they did not have any single external event competition where they can win a gold or a silver, but yet they participated in every single GGSIPU event. They accumulated their participation points and today they are here to win the Best Club Award for 2024-25. And this award goes to the National Service Unit.
NSS Club has set an outstanding benchmark for all adults. NSS is awarded the Challenger Trophy for the year 2024 to 2025, along with the cash prize of rupees 20,000, which will be used further in upliftment of the club initiative in the upcoming academic year 2025 to 2026.
Thank you all for your presence, patience and valuable time. We are truly delighted to share this special occasion with you. A celebration of dedication,